Everyone, I am Varshitha. Welcome to my channel. Regarding to 301 course, today I am excited to walk you through the process of implementing a Telegram chatbot. In this presentation, I will explain the tools and technologies I used, highlight the key NPM packages involved, and discuss the API integration that makes the chatbot work seamlessly. Later, I installed the Telegram in my laptop. I searched for bot further and I started the conversation. I will give one name. I given one name that is the username. The bot was confirmed only if the username not used previously. After it decides one username that we can proceed. Later we'll give another name including bot at the ending to that name. Then the bot will gives a token which was for this is the token which was furtherly used in our code. Later I created a folder. This is my folder. With the help of this folder I opened the VS code. This is my folder name, and I created a file name as telegram.js. Later I opened the Google Chrome. In that I search for npm packages. In this package I want one package that is no telegram bot API. This package I want. This one I had to install. I just copied this and later entered into the VS code. In the same location I opened the command prompt. I pasted here and get and uh, in this way I installed the package. Later I entered into the VS code. This is my code. This code is for in this code I used the API, the which was the calendar API. I will explain line by line. Just you can observe what is happening. This first line is imports the no Telegram bot API library to interact with Telegram's bot API. The second line is used to import the request module to make HTTP request to external APIs. And the third line is used for imports the HTTP module to handle the secure HTTP request. And the next line is the token which the Telegram gives me a token for creating a chatbot. This token is used here. I will paste it here. This token helps to assign the bot's unique KPI token. The next line is used to create a new bot instance with polling enabled to receive messages in real time. And the next line, the eighth line is used for to listen for any incoming messages from users or not. This line will checking. And this ninth line will be used for immediately. This line immediately sends a reply saying excuse me to the user who sent the message. And the next line is used to split the user message into an array of words based on spaces. And the next line is used for checks if the user provided exactly three parts, which means year, month, date. Only these three parts are providing or any other this line will checks. And the next line is used for sends a message asking the user to input the correct format if the input is not three parts. And the return function is used for exit the function if the format is incorrect. If the format is incorrect, the information will not be in in the manner year month date. If it checks if the format is incorrect, then it will exit. The return function will be helpful for that. The next line, the 17th line, is used for sets the country code in India. And the next line is extract the year from the input. And the next line is used for extract the month from the input. And the 20th line will be helpful for extract the day from the input. And this the next line, this is the if line, which will be helpful for checks if any of the inputs are not numbers. This will checks if the input is numbers or not. And the next, this line will provide information if the input was not in numbers, then it will send a message invalid input, please use numeric values for year month and date. Then the function will be exit. The next will be the API of the calendar. Constructs the URL for calendrific API to fetch holiday data based on the user's input. This line will be used for further. And the 29th line will be used for sends a get request to the calendrific API. The next line will be used for checks if there is no error and the response status is 200 OK. The next line will be helpful for parses the response body from JSON format into a JavaScript object. The next line will be helpful for checks if there are holidays in the response. The next line, the 33 line, will be helpful for retrieves the first holiday from the list. The next, the bot dots and this message will be helpful for sends a holiday name to the user. If we if the input was will be on the day of holiday, this line will provide the message what the holiday is, the purpose of holiday. The next, the else statement gives if no holidays are found, then it will print. This message, this else part handles the case when the API request fails. This line will provide the information, sends an error message to the user. And the last line will provide the logs the error to the console for debugging. In this way, this code will works. I opened the terminal later. I will given here the name node space the file name which was I given there, that is the telegram.js. Later I opened the telegram. This is my username. Firstly, I provide the information excuse me. The input was excuse me. Then the bot will respond. Please wait a second. The bot asking was please provide the year, month, and date in the format year, month, date. In this way, I entered the numeric values that is in the format of year, month, month 3, date 7. See, the output was no holiday on this date. For suppose if we check another date 2024 0 0 not 1 second 10 02 It will display the holiday because Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti on October 2, so it displays the holiday. If you check another date, 2024 12 25, in this day also holiday because of the Christmas. In this way, the Telegram chatbot works. The calendar API will be helpful for um, getting information which day was holiday, which day was not holiday, and what if that is a holiday, and then what is the purpose of holiday, and what is the if any festivals are there, then it displays the festival name or any other purpose. If it is a public holiday, then it displays the public holiday. In this way, this calendar API works. Thank you for watching.